ज्वाइन कर लें लाइव और उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अलाड नीति and then we'll be talking to her and I think Niti is here, so I'll just quickly add Niti.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
What's up? Have you eaten lunch?
No, I usually take it really late, like around 4-5. I
You
don't
eat
have
lunch
it.
at 4-5. What time do you eat
Yeah.
breakfast?
I don't know, I have a very bad habit. I don't eat before 4. Not even breakfast. I don't know why.
Are you in the वो diet होता है ना? Intermittent diet.
मेरा कोई डाइट नहीं है.
Wow. Okay. I
हाँ.
just finished eating food and today I started cooking so early and I was like okay, and then I just finished.
You cook by yourself? These days you're cooking by yourself, I believe.
I love cooking. So yeah, over here today I cooked food. Huh. It's always like mom is doing one day, I do the other day. So it's always like that.
So you are with your family now, Niti?
Yeah, I'm in Delhi. I'm with my family.
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं, नहीं, I will ask you first. Tell me how many people, like कितने लोगों ने आपसे ये बात कहा है कि जब से आप इंडस्ट्री में आई हो तब से वैसी की वैसी हो.
I think I look more younger than how I used to look. Because आज मेरे को एक picture throwback picture मिला Facebook पर, मैं बोल रही हूँ oh shit यार, I actually look older than compared to now. But yeah, right now I'm all swollen and chubby.
पता नहीं, टू मी यू आर द सेम. जैसे मैंने देखा था कि कैसी यारियां मेरा, आई यूज्ड टू वॉच एंड आई यूज्ड टू लव इट.
Okay.
जो थी
16-year-old. People are saying yes, 16-year-old.
So
But
what are
I'm
you
telling you something, there are a lot of movies when people don't recognize me and I go for movies, and even when I go to clubs or even bars hote jo restaurant ka bars, they don't allow me. People who don't recognize me, they really don't allow me. They'll be like, show me your IDs. I swear, I'm like, just Google it, yeah.
true? Long time back, I'll tell you, long time back, I saw you at Aradda. In Aradda, I believe. Aradda. Long
I
time back.
hardly go there. I don't like it.
Long time back.
Long,
Aradda
long you. Seven ka
or
hota
Gera
hai.
Republic. I don't know.
No,
Somewhere I
Geda,
saw.
I have just been there once.
I don't know, but you were wearing white dress. I remember that. Apart from that, I don't remember anything.
I don't know how. Okay, wow.
Apart from that, I don't remember anything. Full on,
Okay.
you were dancing. Yeah. डांस करते भी कोई देखेगा ना तो बोलेगा कि कोई बच्ची नाच रही है.
Ha, the way I don't love pushing people. I'm telling you, the only reason I love I love going to clubs is just to push people. Like, yes, no way. Like, this is what I do. If you've also seen me, you will see me doing this only.
Okay. So what are you doing these days?
BJP. बर्तन झाड़ू पोछा.
Oh my God. So sad. आजकल किसी के लिए भी कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं लोग. Okay. BJP. What are you talking about? Are you
Yeah,
seriously?
I know. I get that a lot. I'm like BJP, yeah. Like, बर्तन झाड़ू पोछा. Too much. And a lot of cooking also.
Since when did you start cooking?
So because I used to I stay alone in Bombay. So वो होता है ना कि कभी कभार आपका मन करता है कि चलो मैं बनाती हूँ and all. So like that I know how to cook. And I know how to cook. But then when I came here, since our Didi was like, we told her not to come and all, the like mom was making food, so I was like why you make? I was like मुझे भी practice करने था. I was like वैसे भी आगे काम आएगा ही नहीं था. I was like let me make. So now, so like one day mom makes, though I try that she doesn't make food every day. Like I don't want her to cook. Like I
Niti,
like
first,
her to rest.
tell me the first dish that you cooked. First, your first dish.
First dish that I ever made was pulao, veg pulao.
रेसिपी कहाँ से आया?
My mom. I always keep calling her. And mostly, the thing with me is I forget recipes. So I have to call the person again. I'm like, कैसे बनाया था पता होना जरा. Yeah, so प्यार तूने क्या किया? Season 7.
Okay, and also tell me what are your hobbies?
Like right now or just generally?
Generally, so you separated your hobbies for now
अभी
and
तो हॉबीज का क्या करूँ मैं मतलब हॉबीज ही नहीं हो रहे अभी like I like going and watching movies in theater. I like hanging out with my friends. I think that's like my best hobby. And right now, like I just put on the music. Like every time I think nowadays I do jhadu pocha. I need music. I need to be like let's do jhadu, let's do pocha. It has to be like that. So I think that's really easy.
अनुष्का शर्मा 98 आई बिलीव शी इज आस्किंग कि कल आपने डोसा बनाया था?
कल हाँ मतलब मैंने वो जो आलू का था ना वो बनाया था बिकॉज मुझे डोसा लाइक राउंड राउंड लाइक आई ट्राइड बट इतनी अच्छी से आई डिडंट मेक माय मॉम वाज टीचिंग मी
सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीस डेज? इस अभी का अगर मैं हॉबीज पूछूं तो क्या है?
Listen, I am a very boring person right now. Like that's why everybody keeps asking me, "What are you doing?" What is this time that you're doing? Firstly, I'm this person who doesn't have any talents. Okay, I have no talents. I have tried my level best even to work out. I'm like, I don't know how people get the energy to work out. Like everybody's all the time working out, and they're doing this. Like I'm like, कैसे कर रहे हैं? मुझसे तो हो भी नहीं रहा है. But I think cooking because every day I want to make a new dish and I keep getting recipes from online or my friends or relatives. So I think वो मेरा भी है आजकल का और तड़का दाल का तड़का में क्या क्या नया कर सकते हो.
You watch movies?
A lot of
जैसे कि
movies.
I love watching movies. Tell me which one is your favorite?
जाने दो या जाने ना in Hindi. And
Okay.
a Cinderella story in English. Chad Michael Murray and Hilary Duff. It used to be my favorite movie. It still is my favorite movie. Even there's another movie, Monkey Checks In. Oh, ये बचपन में होता था. Mummy, it's Monkey Checks In ना? हाँ, Monkey Checks In and Monkey Trouble. These are like my favorite movies.
कब आया ये? आप बड़ी कब होंगी ये?
बचपन मेरे मेरे बचपन में. They're damn cute movies. They're all about monkeys. And I always wanted a monkey to adopt a monkey when I was a kid.
So
Till date, I want to.
when are you gonna adopt?
I can't, yeah. One monkey taking care of another monkey is not possible in my house.
Okay. Apart from watching movies, series देखते हो या what else do you do?
So the thing is, though we have a lot of TVs at home, but we don't go to different rooms. We're always watching in one room. And my dad actually doesn't like too many series. Like he sees a little and he gets bored. He's used to like movies because of fast pace होते हैं तो वो खत्म हो जाते हैं. So that's why nowadays we're watching a lot of movies. But recently I made him watch Special Ops and he really really liked it.
अच्छा नीति, कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि आप लोग शूट करके आए हैं? Okay,
क्या आपको?
the whole day you've been shooting. ऐसा होता था
हाँ
कि आप शूट करते थे और फिर आपके जो शूट के आकर सीरियल देखते हैं, सीरियल के वक्त पे कभी ऐसा करें?
कि आके सीरियल देखते थे.
हाँ, अपना watch your own serial.
Yeah, I've done that during Gulam time because वो 9 बजे 9:30 बजे होता था ना. So then I used to come back home and I used to be like, चलो let me see it. Otherwise I used to see it on my phone. But I used to hope कि pray कि I can go and see what I've done today. So ये गुलाम के time पे.
Industry में, what was your age when you entered this industry? If you don't mind, this question.
I swear I don't remember. I think I was 15, 16. I think I don't know what time हो गया. because I came in, I did few like chotu serials, and then I left it in between, then I came back again, then I left it because I was studying, I was in college, so I had to complete. And also initially I had just come to Bombay for ऐसे घूमने के लिए, college forms, college ये देखना था, because I always wanted to do my junior college and I wanted to shift. So you had that summer vacations, after your exams are over. So that's why I was in Bombay for the longest time, searching colleges and everything. That's how I got an opportunity.
I was just going through.
Through the comments.
Yeah.
मैंने एक्चुअली ना इतने लाइफ कर लिए कि अभी लोगों को they have nothing to ask me because they've asked me everything.
No. There are questions that they would want to know or ask. अच्छा ये बताएं कि when you entered this industry, as in जब होश संभालिया ना, when you were, matured enough, who was your crush?
When I was matured enough, who was my crush?
Yeah. मतलब ये पता नहीं कि कुछ बचपन में आप 10 years की थी जब भी आप when you entered, तो तब का पता नहीं. But जब एकदम होश संभालिया, then you started working.
And I look, Vivian, not Vivian, क्या नाम था यार? He was in प्यार, oh God, प्यार का बंधन. Just Google it and tell me ना what is his surname. It was Vivian. प्यार का बंधन. The one now who does all villain के roles. प्यार का बंधन. See the cast. It was Kritika Kamra. It was.
हाँ. Correct ना? अच्छा. Vivian Bhatina.
Yeah, Vivian Bhatina, because he was like this. I think he was a model who just recently turned into, it was his first serial, and you've seen him in all the hot magazines and all of that. Yes, this guy. Because when I entered, my first show was with him. Oh man, I used to get starstruck watching him. I was like, oh my god! And that time he was always married only. I think he married his childhood sweetheart or something like that. And he used to be so nice, and I used to be like, hey, so sweet. And मेरे को भी ऐसे पति चाहिए. I always used to say that.
कभी मन किया कि अगर नानी नहीं होती तो डेट कर लेती?
नहीं, I was too chotu, yaar. I was very chotu. See, my crushes are not like I adore Shahid Kapoor, like even Varun Dhawan. But मेरे ख्याल में नहीं कि I wish I date him or I wish I this nothing. It's just like the silent thing I have for them. It's just that I want to see them happy and doing all kinds of things that they do, and they make me smile. That's my crush definition. It's nothing else. कि I want this person and I want to date this person. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा Nidhi, when you started acting, you always wanted to be an actor or it just came your way?
It just came my way. I never in my life thought I wanted to be an actor. Never. Like, abhi, I know that everybody, like my nani, she says, oh, I used to do so much drama in school. I was in, theater and all. You got it from me. Then when my dadi was there, she had also said this. I'm like, wow, yaar, sabse mila pehle to kisi ne bola nahi, kuch log, like they have done this and, they've done that. Because I always ask myself, I don't know how I got this acting, thing in my blood. But, ho jata hai.
So what did you wanted to become?
I wanted to be a teacher, a kindergarten teacher.
बहुत अलग है from what you wanted and what you wanted.
Yeah. I also wanted to become Miss Universe. Always. That was like a dream, like my dream. But then height बहुत छोटी पड़ गई.
What? Kindergarten teacher? Was it dream?
No, kindergarten was my dream, but before that was Miss Universe.
Miss Universe.
Always.
कोई बात नहीं. आपकी बेटी बनेगी Miss Universe.
Inshallah. Oh yeah, I hope she gets. Firstly, I hope I also have a daughter. And I hope that she gets my fiance's height because he's like 6'2", so he's really tall. So I hope she gets, his height, and she's so tall.
Okay, Nidhi, since I'm talking to you, अच्छा सन. Okay. Things have been okay now. Really fun. Lively. Tell me the weirdest thing you've done till date fans don't know about.
Weirdest thing that I've done till date that the fans don't know.
There
I
must be
have
something that your fans do not know about. One thing that you can share.
that I get these dauras. Okay, I get these dauras. Like, you know, there are days you don't feel sleepy. There are these. I have these days where I don't feel sleepy and I'm up till 5, 6. I remember that you know, Ananya karke, she's my friend. I called her up. I was like, "तू अब भी खड़ा, अभी सुबह के 4 बजे." I'm like, "You come home right now." She's like, "What?" Like, you know, any friend you call at 4 a.m., they'll be like, "What happened? Are you okay?" I'm like, "Just come home, just come home." And then she comes home, I'm like, "Let's just chill, bro. Let's just chill." और हम सुबह के 5:30 बजे, like she came like around 4:30. सुबह के 5:30 बजे मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही थी उसको भी. So we are going with, you know, like going in the gullies to find food. Then finally I think we went to Malad somewhere. कुछ स्पेस जगह है जहाँ 5:30 बजे हम पाव वाव ये सब खा रहे थे. एंड आई दिस इज द weirdest thing I've ever done and I'm like, what had happened to me? Like, what had happened to me?
वो स्पेस का जो है ना वो पूरी रात खुला रहता है और वहाँ
हाँ, so I didn't know पूरी रात वाला, but I remember कि like we were out and about and we had enjoyed so much.
You like vada pav since we're talking about food and Bombay.
I don't like vada pav. I'm not a fan of vada pav, but I like samosa pav.
You like what? Sorry, आपकी
Samosa pav.
same here. I don't know why people are crazy about vada pav. I don't like vada pav. And then if you don't like vada pav, people will look at you as if you're just palm or something like that.
मुझे वो वड़ा पाव की जो लाल आई थिंक लहसुन की चटनी जो डालते हैं और वो मिर्ची जो डालते हैं वो बहुत टेस्टी लगती है. बट आई कैन ईट दैट विदाउट द वड़ा इन इट. आई थिंक द वड़ा का ना मेरे को वो टॉपिंग अच्छी नहीं लगती. बेसन
Okay,
से
hi.
I think वो जो कोट करते हैं.
So you're from Delhi, right? Okay. Bombay और Delhi के food में कहाँ का food do you prefer?
घर का खाना.
हाँ?
घर का खाना.
Forget घर का खाना. I'm not talking about घर का खाना. Generally, अगर taste की बात की जाए, what would you prefer? Delhi का खाना flavor में क्या अंतर है?
आई लाइक सी ओके. दोनों में अंतर ये है कि बॉम्बे का खाना इज मीठा एंड दिल्ली का खाना इज तीखा. ठीक है. So because Marathis and Gujaratis, they like sweet in their food. So that's why
Yeah.
Bombay is like their sambar, if you order it, sweet. And I totally don't like it. Okay, because I might be a Gujarati, but I don't like meetha in my khana at all. I do not like it. So I would say this is not a tough option, but it's Delhi because I love spicy food. और मुझे बॉम्बे में like you know डोसा नहीं मिलता. I like sambar and idli and you know rasam. सब मीठा
आप
होता है.
अच्छे से अच्छे कभी डोसा खाओगे ना बॉम्बे में तो पता नहीं सांभर में क्यों ये लोग चीनी डालते हैं. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
they put good. They put good.
It's good.
हाँ. See, even if you go to Maharaja Bhog, I have to tell them कि give me the spicy one, you know, because then मीठी दाल देते हैं, मीठी कड़ी देते हैं. मुझे मीठा नहीं पसंद. So
One day I'm gonna do a story with you.
okay, done.
And then you
Done.
will deny it. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे.
Done.
Okay, Nidhi. Also, people were asking here your first experience when you kissed on screen. I would want you to answer that. I would want you to answer. I know. I would want you to answer. Ki, how difficult is it? Because you know.
First, एक मेरे को एक आंसर क्वेश्चन करना है. एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना. बनाना लीफ में भी मीठा मिलता है, सांभर और रसम. हाँ, okay,
Banana
sorry.
leaf.
हाँ, banana leaf is also sweet.
नहीं, banana. I love banana leaf. But,
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Even little sweet, I don't like. Their rasam is nice, but their sambar is not nice.
okay, you quickly
I'm trying to
solve.
avoid the question you asked me, please. You're putting me in hot spot.
You know what Yeah,
Of
so
course,
that
it's very difficult. Yeah, it's not easy at all. It's really like, firstly there are 100 people looking at you, and then it's like, "Arey, write your pass off." All these instructions. It's
अच्छा अच्छा
really like,
एक और बात see I obviously we visit set पे तो we see usually but ऐसे ऐसे सीन में मीडिया को भी बोलते हैं आपकी कंपनी है जाहिर सी बात है we understand that तो हम लोग को निकाल दिया जाता है तो एक होते हैं ना कि वाइड एंगल ले रहे हैं फिर क्लोजअप ले रहे हैं कितनी बार मतलब वही चीज करना and also when you do it for the first time you're so young फैमिली से कोई प्रेशर होता है फ्रेंड्स से ऐसे चल सोसाइटी का क्या प्रेशर रहता है आई डोंट वांट
so my parents knew about it, and I also spoke to like the writer and the director, like if we can avoid it. And of course, like I had my own insecurities, and then but my character like that scene demanded it. And we even thought ki cheat, weed, but then it just came to a point where like you have to do this. So I was like, I spoke to my parents, and they said whatever you feel is best because you're there and you know what the scenario is. So they're like, we will not have a problem because you're working. This is your work. So I was like, okay, cool. So I told them. So mainly when you have intimate scenes on screen, they try and finish, like they at least give you 2 setup camera or a 3 setup camera. So आपका वाइड भी लगता है, आपका क्लोज भी लगता है, आपका मिड भी लगता है. तो वही हमारे में हुआ था. So it was just once we had to do, and it was like nicely done and shot and nothing, no retake. But I remember after that I just ran in my vanity and मैंने बोला इसके बाद मैं अब जाने वाली हूँ घर, मेरा पैकअप करना है इसके बाद. तो मैं जो भागी ना, मतलब I was so, even in the morning the next day I came, I was like this because I was really like, I'm generally like I'm very bubbly and chirpy and all, but I'm very shy. Like I feel really shy. More than shy, I was very like, what do people say? Like, what is this? What is that? And I think media को इसलिए नहीं allow करते because एक scene को वो you keep telecasting it again and again. ये हुआ इसके साथ. You see, it's just like, I think that's why a lot of people don't allow media.
did you no it's because even you have to be comfortable and it's very obviously weird for you guys
No, but I even like you said the society and all. It was not a very big deal, so I was okay, and I'm still fine. Like, because everybody knew it was required for the character. That's it. So somebody is asking me Warrior High next season. भाई मुझे क्या पता? I was not in Warrior High.
I don't know even I was like why are you asking me skincare routine बता दो I underscore Sidhania
यार कोई रूटीन है, मैं बहुत पानी पीती हूँ. आजकल पानी भी नहीं पिया जा रहा है, but I drink 3 to 4 liters a day.
बहुत सारे लोग नीति जो अकेले हैं they're almost on the verge of being depressed or anxiety attacks. What message would you want to give them?
Oh, that guy is, you see, you have to help yourself. No one can come and help you. Always remember that. If it's not your, like, you can't think negative. You have to think positive because you have to do this for yourself. And I think, read positive things, watch positive things. I think, seeing sad things and depressing things also make your mood very, it doesn't uplift your mood at all. So I think, watch positive things. Call your family members. Make sure that you're not lonely all the time. Call them, even if it's 100 times a day. Make sure that you are sane because these times can get too much for everyone.
Okay, many people were also asking because if I don't question, if I don't take comments or questions from the comments, people start using the reporter. It's better that I ask you. बहुत बार लोगों ने पूछा नाटक मेहता या पार्थ
Both are very different. Yeah, I have worked with Parth for I think 3 years and Nakul for few months. So, and Nakul is a very different person, and Parth is different. So I can't compare the both, and both are good in their own ways.
CN एक second नाम কোথায় গেল
You're a
someone just
Bengali?
asked. No, I am from Calcutta, so I know.
Kotha guy?
Huh?
You just said something in Bengali, na? Kothay galo.
Yeah. Where did it go?
Ha, I know. My mom's a Bengali.
Achha, your mom is a Bengali. Where is she from?
Calcutta.
Okay. And your dad is Gujarati.
Gujarati.
कहाँ से? मतलब love marriage था.
Love marriage. Can't see you like. Can't see. Love marriage.
Okay. So you're a combination of Bengali and Gujarati.
Yeah, I'm a
What
yes.
do you like? You're Gujarati or Bengali side? मम्मी का side क्या है? Gujarati के side.
See, I am more close to dad's family for sure, but it's at my convenience. I become a Gujarati. At my convenience, I become a Bengali.
You want to become a Bengali?
I said at my convenience, I become a Gujarati. At my convenience, I become a Bengali.
Sakshi underscore Manjani 18. Your biggest critics in your life.
Me, myself.
Also,
I am-
someone was
Very critical about like, and I am very honest also. Like, if I do something and if I don't like it, I'll be like, "What is this?" To myself. And if I like something, I will tell myself.
also tell me, how difficult it is when you guys go for shootings. You're there for the entire day, 14, 12 hours, 14 hours. And when you come back, and now, how different it is when you come back from say, 12, 14 hours of shooting, and now these days when you're entirely free. कैसा feel हो रहा है? How different it is?
See, there is always you don't have time for your personal for yourself. You never have time. Like you have, there are so many things that you have to do. Like especially for me, because not me, for girls who stay alone or for boys who stay alone, they have to fill their groceries. They have to stock up their house. फिर मेड का भी देखना पड़ता है. फिर आपका जैसे आप आते हो, आपका डिनर, आपका खाना. I think the first thing that after shooting for so many hours, when you come home, it's like, for me, I'm talking about, it's like I can't even ask anyone to give me water because I don't have anyone to give me water. So I'm like, damn, like you're so lazy, you're so tired to even go and get a glass of water. And you're like, I just wish I had someone to get me a glass of water. And it's my mother. So I think, Abhi, everybody has time for themselves. Everybody is reconnecting. I think it's very important to also spend time with yourself to know what you like, what you do not like, to work on yourself. So I think Abhi ये सब time मिला है.
Niti, who is your favorite co-actor? Someone just asked. Paru underscore Bhaskar.
My favorite co-actor Shamta ji.
People
First
were
thing I
dying.
want to do after my lockdown, I am going to meet Julia and Rupanjal, and we are just going to go out because I need to get out of the house. I want to hear some nice, good, loud music. I just need it.
Okay. Also tell me how different do you think web series and films are? You've been a part of both. You've also done music videos. छोटी सी उम्र में बहुत सारे जो है नीति टेलर ने किया है. क्या है अंतर अगर म्यूजिक
See, web series is, I think, a lot of things are allowed in web series. In movies, still, a lot of things are not allowed. Like, please understand, I can't say more. समझ आया.
earlier you said someone is saying earlier you said
Yeah, but then when I said part first, तो फिर वापस क्यों पूछा? इसलिए मैंने भी वापस ऐसे ही जवाब दिया कि एक बार ही बोल दिया, लेकिन फिर भी आप लोग बाज नहीं आ रहे, आप लोग फिर भी पूछ रहे हो, तो इसलिए मैंने भी चंटू आंसर दिया.
Okay, so you
I'm telling every charity come and they're asking me this question only, who's your favorite? And I've said this so many times, part, but then now I'm going to change my answer. Because when they want to hear what they want to hear, this is also a problem.
they've fallen in love with guys' chemistry. You
That is, I am so happy for that. Chanto answer, yeah.
How is Parth as an co-actor of yours? How is he?
You know, I'm telling you that we had so many scenes where we were so like सीन का मुद्दा कुछ और है, हम कुछ और बना के अपना ही मुद्दा बनाते थे. Like we used to improvise, and I think that is what was good in us. Like if he changes his dialogue, so I'm not like, because you know when you read your script you have to do word to word or line to line. If he changes dialogue, so I also have to reciprocate the same way. It doesn't happen with all actors, because sometimes you just improvise and just, you know, because you feel it, you say it. So हमें ये बहुत होता था that if he's giving, I am also giving back. Like, you know, a lot of like tit for tat types ऐसे, like, you know, comebacks हमारे बहुत अच्छे होते थे. They were really really nice. So I think that is how अपना जो chemistry है, it just because he understood my head, I understood his head, and हम ना कभी भी scene में like other people used to be like, oh shit, ये dialogue कब था, ये dialogue, and we're like, we just, you know, it's just there.
Apart from serials.
Oh my god, someone just wrote this. 10 रुपए की पेप्सी नीति सबसे सेक्सी. Okay.
What? I didn't.
10 रुपए की पेप्सी
की
नीति
Pepsi.
सबसे सेक्सी. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. I love this. Watch Netflix and a movie at the same time. I would not choose any.
Sorry.
Am I? Sorry, I was just answering questions.
Huh, please go ahead.
When will we get KYY4? Ask the makers. Like I have told you guys before. Please ask the makers. Go ask Boot. What nonsense, people. क्यों क्या हो गया?
So people, when you have fans, you have haters as well. I don't know why. Maybe have you ever done what do you think of reality shows?
Reality shows, I would love to be a part of. I always wanted to be part of Jhalak Dikhla Do, but that just, you know, went down the drain. मतलब वो खत्म ही हो गया था. And otherwise, I'm a big fan of all the other reality shows, but I don't want to be a part of it because I can't do Khatron Ke Khiladi because I'm really really scared and I'm not so macho. I don't have it in me. Big Boss, I will never go in that house, but I'm like the biggest audience and biggest fan also. I can say that.
Why would
Okay.
you watch
और नजबुलिया में मैं नहीं जाती.
Big Boss की घर क्यों नहीं जाना चाहते? Because why?
Because I'm not meant for it. I'm not.
सीधे लोगों की जगह नहीं है जाने से.
ऐसा नहीं है. You really need to be mentally very strong to be in that house. And
Yeah.
I might show that I'm a very happy-go-lucky, but mentally I am not that strong. Like, I can say that.
Okay, did you watch this season because this season,
I saw.
amazing. Everyone loved it. इतना ज़्यादा trend. Even if you see every day someone or other is trending on Twitter till.
I like this season, but this season had too much of fighting. I know, like I'm such a Big Boss fan, but you know, इतने episodes थे जहाँ वो एक चीज के लिए अभी भी लड़ रहे हैं. There were like 2-3 days where I was like, I don't want to watch it, or it's getting too much. And I never had a favorite in this house. Like my favorite used to change every day. I used to be like, एक तो बंदा टिक जाए यार. I was like, I don't have any favorite.
So who was your first favorite? Who was your first? जो day by day change होता है.
See, I really used to like starting में Siddharth and Asim. I was like, they're like really sweet. Like I really like them. And then beach में, then I like Shifali also beach में. Shifali जग क्या है नहीं.
जरी वाला बग्गा which one?
Jari wala. I liked her.
अच्छा.
But then I didn't like her. Then I liked Rashmi. That's what I'm saying. Everything was changing, and then last minute when Asim, Rashmi, and Siddharth literally didn't have like a favorite. I was hooting for, you know, any of them to win. Like I was hooting for Siddharth, Asim, Rashmi to win, and जब रश्मि जब वो दोनों बाकी थे सिद्धार्थ और ये, तो आई वाज लाइक मे द बेस्ट मैन विन.
शहनाज गिल के बारे में व्हाट वुड यू वांट टू से?
शहनाज गिल, सिद्धार्थ उसकी आंखों में है. But I'll tell you something very honestly. She's very sweet, very pugly सी है, बहुत प्यारी है. But like even that second show that came later on, the
मुझसे
Shahnaz
शादी
Gill, yeah, the Shahnaz Gill that was in Big Boss and the Shahnaz Gill in that show, there was no charm like in that show of hers, the new one. So I liked her in Big Boss, and I couldn't watch that episode more than once. I was like, I can't watch this. This is really terrible.
Since you've watched it, you know, people have been talking about Siddharth and Shahnaaz. What do you think है उन दोनों के बीच, या नो कि बिग बॉस की शादी करोगे उसमें बहुत अंतर था? क्या लगता है क्यों था वो डिफरेंस? Was she faking on in Big Boss, or was she not faking it? Whether she
See,
lied?
when you're inside, locked up in your in a house, it's always very different. Like the feelings, of course, get deeper and stronger. But when you get out, you don't know what's happening because they're not 24 hours in front of the camera, right? You, they shoot, they pack up, they go home. So you never know what's happening. So I don't think she's faking it. I think genuinely she did really like him. I think we all saw that she was really crazy or is crazy. I don't know. But अब क्या हो रहा होगा? I can't sit here and comment, so I don't know. But
As in, my question was, you, because even in the show towards the end, मुझसे शादी करोगे में she said that you know मेरे को सिद्धार्थ से प्यार हो गया है ना, क्या करूँ? And did you listen to that song जो आया भुला दूंगा from Darshan Rawal?
yeah.
What do you think of that song? Did you listen to that song?
I
Did you
did.
chemistry? No, you didn't.
Yeah, nahin. See, but even in Big Boss, when they were given the opportunity of the song and all, Siddharth and Rashmi were any day better than Sid and Siddharth. So sometimes chemistry just doesn't. That's fine. But even it's not. It only doesn't depend on the chemistry. It's the way it's shot. It's the way it's directed. I think all these things matter.
Okay. Also, you said that you will never want to go to that Big Boss house. लेकिन अगर देखा जाए तो अभी हम सबका घर बिग बॉस बना हुआ घर ही बना हुआ है.
For sure.
एक बार भी ऐसा लगा कि अब घर, अच्छा, when you're staying out घर से दूर, है ना, you said you stay all by yourself. अभी जब घर पे आके आप रह रहे हो, ये वाली feeling you want it to continue, because many people who don't have the habit of staying with family are like, बस हो गया ना, काफी है, अब I want to go back to my own home where I belong. Or
No, of course I miss that, going back to my own zone, but I always wanted to spend like a good 1 or 2 months before I got married with my parents. I wanted to do that. Like I wanted to leave, Bombay for a month or two and come and spend some time with my mom and dad. And I think this is the best opportunity, and we guys are making the most of it because we enjoy every day, doing silly stupid things and cooking. And then I think at 7 o'clock we pray every day, and also we go in the balcony at 5:36 just for those 10-15 minutes. So it's a lot of fun. Yes, guys, I'm going to see you today evening 5:30. Don't miss it. Oh wow.
so I am continuously monitoring some comments, because if I don't ask again, Film Ramdam 19, love from USA, Niti, huge fan of yours.
Sorry, my
Love from USA, Niti, huge fan of yours from USA.
oh okay. Oh hey, love you. Lots of love back.
Oh, at Zoya पूछ रही हैं favorite English series TV show.
Favorite? Grey's Anatomy.
English series TV show.
TV show Grey's Anatomy.
Grey's Anatomy.
And Station 19. Yeah.
And what else?
Station 19.
I haven't seen. I have not heard about it.
Oh, it's really good. It's about the fire brigades.
Okay, you haven't watched DOT?
DOC?
Friends?
Friends I've seen, but it's not my favorite. Like, I love it, but not my favorite.
You are the first person that I've ever come across with Friends who's not your favorite.
मुझे डांट रही हो? हिला? My God.
No, Neetika, you're the first person to say that. Oh my God, I've never come across people who say Friends
No,
is
I
not my favorite.
really liked it. I actually used to see it like बचपन में, but इतना भी नहीं देखा. फिर recently I watched the entire the entire show with all the seasons, and I'm like, खत्म हो गया. I was like, how will my day go? How will this happen? But something I wait for is actually Grey's Anatomy and Station 19. Like, it's love for me.
You watched GOT?
Yes, Game of Thrones. Yep.
Yeah. How did you find it? लगता है कि हाइप है इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है जैसा कि लोग बोलते हैं.
Yeah. Sorry?
आई एम सेइंग कि ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत ज्यादा हाइप है. You generally find that very good.
Monkey, sorry.
Your favorite Hollywood movie?
Arey, I gave you no 2 names.
Yeah, in the beginning only you gave.
Yeah.
आप पहले दे चुकी हैं जवाब. प्लीज आप जाके लाइव फिर से सुने. मैं नहीं आपने सुना है तो मैं सेव करूंगी स्टोरी में. सुनिए. Okay. Manan _ my life is asking, what is the thing you love the most about you?
Well,
What
me,
is
that
that?
I always have a smile on my face.
Sorry, come again.
That I always have a smile on my face.
Yeah, true. True. Fandom_0811 dance video with part on tailor-made stories.
Wait, लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ है. मेरे को बॉम्बे तो जाना पड़ेगा वीडियो लेने के लिए.
What do you like more, singing or dancing?
I love singing, but I don't have it inside me to sing only. Don't ask me to sing, please. My parents yesterday told me, what? Please don't ever sing.
Why?
Because I sing so bad. I'm so bad.
_shake_Shaista is saying, your smile is killing fans. Nice comment.
Woof.
ये लड़की है पर हाँ ये लड़की है. Okay, so finally, what messages would you want to give your fans?
That guys,
What would you want to?
it might get a little difficult, and I know the lockdown even might extend or get over, but we all are like, we all know what's going to happen next. But just stay positive, watch all good things, and stay happy, stay healthy. Don't get out of your house, stay at home, and just keep smiling. Do things that you like. I know it's getting frustrated, but just keep the patience, keep yourself calm, and soon everything will be good, and we are in this together.
Also, one question that I would suddenly quickly want you to answer. बहुत सारे लोग आपके new project के बारे में पूछते हैं, उसके बारे में बता दीजिए.
न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जब ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा हम बता देंगे. अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बता सकती, कुछ जो था भी वो अभी पुश हो रहे हैं, कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, तो अभी there is no point of saying anything because no one knows what's happening.
Okay. Thank you so much, Niti. It was wonderful talking to you. I hope I did so much.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye guys. See you at 5:30. Bye.